Well, I'm waiting on some parts for the Weasel before I can move forward on that. So I decided to pull Old Yeller out and start tinkering with it a little bit. Old Yeller is a 1946 CJ2a. Somebody had put a V6 in it in the 1970s, and we checked compression. The compression seems to be within specs of operating. So we went ahead and worked on firing it up, and still needs to get a little bit tuning, maybe clean up the carburetor a little bit, and then we'll go from there to see what else we need to do. I'll show you what we've been up to. And this actually came with a whole stack of paperwork that the previous owner had, and it looks like this one's got a Dauntless V6 in it. It looks like the V6 was installed in 1976. It still has the V6 in it. And let's see what else. It's got a Ford reverse steering that was also done at the same time. So this is basically a little rig that was modified in 1976. That oil looks terrible. Well, I'm working again today on Old Yeller. Yesterday we drained the oil, put new oil, put a new oil filter, topped off the radiator, hooked up a temporary gas tank here, and put new spark plugs in. I ordered cap and rotor and points, but that hasn't come in yet, so it seems to be running with these, so we're just running with that for now. And I'm going to try to see if I can get this carburetor to idle. The key on this thing is stuck. It'll turn on and start the engine, but it won't turn off. So I had to pull the battery wire to shut the thing down. I got to do a little research. It's a Chevy tilt steering wheel. It was installed in the 70s, so I got to figure out what it came out of. Well, I got to take the steering column apart and see what's going on with this key. So I jerry-rigged a steering wheel puller. We'll see if that works. So I compress that down, and then there's a little ring right there that I was able to get out of the notch. Okay, we got a new cylinder in there, and now everything's working. Key comes out. Perfect. So I have two T15s that one of them actually came with this, and then the other one a friend of mine gave me. So I think I might try to adapt that to the V6. I'm going to be mating a T15 transmission with a Dana 18 big hole transfer case for the V6.
Fired it up. It was
Yeah.
I don't want it walking back and forth.
Well, that's kind of cool that thing. Those are supposed to be better than the points, I guess. I don't know.
Oh no, they run good.
Well, we were having trouble getting Old Yeller to run consistently, even after putting new points and condenser and rotor. So we decided to put a more modern type of distributor on it, and it seemed to like that a lot better. Still need to do a little bit of tuning to the carburetor, maybe cleaning it up a little bit, and then we'll go from there.
You just gotta watch your balls when he's in there.